If you've ever looked under your car and seen your rocker panel loose, I'm going to show you how to fix it. First, undo the 8mm bolt here and possibly the one on this side, and then you just pull the rocker panel down, which I've already done, like this, and you'll see all these white clips in here, and you just pop them out, plug the new ones in that you get from DeLorean, and they fit right on top of these little spindles, and just pop it back into place. Easy peasy. Show you the finished product. And here's what you get from DeLorean. They're 79 cents a piece. I ordered 10 of them. Just this one side of mine is hanging down. So here's the old ones. They come all out cracked and disgusting. Look like that in here. You just pop them out or push them through if they break, and then you just kind of fish them out through here. And you take the new ones, and you can see the clip that clips onto this spindle here, and you just kind of work them into this hole like that, all along here, and then you pop it up. I was going to show you doing one here. So you just kind of bend this down and then slide it into that center hole. There you go. And now, just kind of line up the spindle. With the holes. And push it up.